So I got myself a little air compressor and I needed a hose for it, so I got this little kit here that's actually quite nice, and you can see we have a 25-foot 3/8 hose with lots of different attachments, 300 PSI working pressure. That's the brand there, and yeah, this is everything that's included. So the hose is yellow, actually a really nice quality. We got some zip ties to cut. Very uniquely packed here. The two ends. And as you can see, guys, you get quite a few things. So the hose itself also has these little ends that you can kind of grab. And it looks like we're ready to install our fittings. So we need to install one of these on one end, and on the other end, one of those. As you guys can see, we got extra, plus we got tire pressure gauge, a little brush with a blow adapter, coupling ends for the tire inflator / the blower, and also we got little attachments here for the blower. Alright, so I used a couple adjustable wrenches and I installed the two ends. Turned out very nice. And these just kind of slip over, which make it a nice aesthetic look. And also installed this guy here on the blower. On the end we can put, you know, anything we want, like this rubber one or a brass one that's all metal. Or let's say you want to use one of these ball inflators. You would use this adapter. They'll go on the end first, and then the ball inflator, and inflate the ball. And actually, I guess I did forget to put one on here, which we do have one more left, so we can inflate tires also. In any case, let's go ahead and plug it into the compressor, which is on this side. And it goes and inflates, and nothing's leaking. Can't hear nothing. And then this end it goes here, and just like that, and then we push it and blow. But yeah, very nice kit here, and all the accessories and the hose itself feel quite premium.